Are you enjoying the night so far? Yes? Okay, please give a big round of applause to our FinTech Accelerator. So this concludes our lineup for the FinTech startups, and we hope you have enjoyed the pitches. And in a couple of minutes, we'll be moving on to our Startup Accelerator pitches. But before that, a couple of notes on what we've been doing and seeing for the past few years. The past 2 to 3 years have been really challenging, both for the entrepreneurs and actually us. And it has pushed us to challenge a lot of business models and assumptions that we actually always sort of took for granted. So the profile of entrepreneurs that we now work with has really changed. 4 years ago, in 2018, they were mostly 20s or 30s. Now, most of our entrepreneurs are at least 10 years older. And the current economic conditions and all the challenges that we've been through since COVID up until now have also led to different changes in consumer habits and purchasing power. And this has really pushed different startups to crack resilient business models, really focus on delivering value for their customers, and most importantly, be very disciplined about how they spend their investments. There are a couple of sectors that we're witnessing very interesting changes in. So, for example, in EdTech, there were always long-standing problems before COVID and the lockdown that were sort of always left in the backlog, and now we're seeing a lot of solutions start to focus on things like financing education, quality of education, and they're leveraging really important resources like artificial intelligence and peer-to-peer learning. In the creative industries, for example, we're seeing a lot of startups focus on more exposure for service providers and artists. And finally, our second largest sector, e-commerce, we're seeing a lot of untapped specializations and gaps in terms of embedded finance and a lot of development in consumer finance as well. So before we present to you the second round of startups who embody all of that, please help me welcome to the stage Haitham Al-Mairgi, Group Chief Operating and Transformation Officer of the Arab African International Bank.